I'm Jan with Heavenly Hand Spinning, and I have in front of me a Vespera, and we're going to go through and unpackage it and go through the components and set it up and get ready for spinning. Okay, I got a Vespera in front of me, and we're going to get her all unpackaged. First thing we have is a flyer with a spring clip. And then for those that have ordered it, this is a hand control. And then our foot control and some other pieces are in here. We'll go over that in just a little bit. Those are the bobbins, 3 bobbins. And here is our Vespera. Vespera has been designed to not require oil, so make sure that you do not drop any oil on the front or rear maiden. None of the new moving parts need oil. It's oil free. Okay, we're going to get back to this box that I mentioned earlier. We open it up, and the first thing you'll notice inside is a plastic bag. And in the plastic bag, you'll get your drive band out. And that's going to go around the back of the Vespera. Then I've got a threading hook. I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to set it aside. It's for threading the machine later on. And then inside, you'll notice there's some little brushes and button caps, and you don't need these for right now, but you'll need them later on, so you want to keep these someplace safe. You remember where they're at. So let's just put those back in the bag, seal that up, and put them to the side. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flyer and I'm going to put on the bobbin. Slide that on. Okay. And now I'm going to put the drive band on. Drive band is going to go around the bobbin and then around this little metal knob here in the back. So it's going to set up just like that. Okay? And for those of you that have a foot controller, let's get our foot controller out. This is the end that goes into the motor. So we're going to plug that in. And this is the end that will go into the wall outlet. Now for those of you that have a hand control, let me show you that. The hand control has the exact same extension that we would put into the motor. And then this end would go into the wall outlet. To turn it on, you're going to press down on the knob and start adjusting your speed. From there, to turn it off, just press it off. And you dial it back down. And that's it to get started, getting ready to spin. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the Vespera for plying. If you'll notice, everything is set up just as if it were that we have been spinning. This is going to apply to the Neolana and to our hybrid wheels such as the Navitas. So our drive band is set up. All we're going to do is come down, put a twist in the drive band, and slide it back on. We're all set up. It will run counterclockwise and be completely ready to go. I also want you to notice that there is a nut here and a nut here. Those can be loosened to tighten or loosen the tension on the drive band. And that's it. You're ready to go. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust the tension on the Vespera drive band. As you can see, I've got these 2 nuts right here. I'm going to take my 7mm wrench and I'm going to loosen those nuts. Once I've loosened them, you'll notice that the motor has play. I can move it to the left or to the right. Since I need to tighten my drive band, I'm going to move it over towards me. Now I'm just going to tighten the nuts. and I'm good to go. Vespera's brushes are designed to last a long time. I've never had to actually replace my brushes, but if you find that your Vespera is running sluggish, it may be time to replace them. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace the brushes in your Vespera motor. You'll notice you have one right here on the top, and you have one right here underneath. For time's sake, I'm just going to show you how to replace the one. It's exactly the same. But remember that if you replace one, you need to replace the other as well. First thing I'm going to use is a flathead screwdriver. And remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And I'm going to turn that, and that cap will just spring right off. I'm going to take my brush out and set that to the side. Remember my brushes that I mentioned to you earlier. Here's your replacement brushes. If for some reason you lose these or you need more of them, just please let me know. You can go to the website and buy more of those. So here's my replacement brush. I'm going to slide that in. Then I'm going to take the cap. I'm going to put that on. And again, I'm going to remember righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And it just needs a little bit of tightening. You don't want to over tighten it. And there, you're all done.